What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the beautiful NG model Southwest 737-800 in the Tennessee 1 livery. As you guys will probably remember, I made a video about a year or two, well, maybe more, but I have the original Tennessee one that was on the 737-700 November 922 Whiskey November. And recently Southwest has gotten rid of that aircraft, the 700, and replaced the livery on to the Dash 800. And honestly, I think it looks better on the 800. I think, you know, the longer fuselage, it really kind of shows it more and everything. I've seen it in person. It's pretty nice to look at. That red definitely stands out, you know. But anyway, yeah, so let's get right on into it. Here's the box, you know, the beautiful box art by NG, as always. So yeah, super excited to have this model, you know, to replace that 700. I'm not going to sell it or anything, I'm going to keep it, but it'll be nice to have this now in an accurate rendition of it. So yeah, let's open up the box there. There we go, there's a little card. Take that off to the side. Alright. Here's the model, looking very nice. Super excited to have this. I know I'm a little late to reviewing this. I've had it for a little bit, but I've just found some time now to finally get to it. To be honest, it only came maybe about a week or two ago, so a little later than I'd have liked, but that's okay. Anyway, we got the model. Back. Here it is, beautiful, not broken, nothing's wrong. That's always a good thing. Alrighty, let's take a look here now at the aircraft itself. Look at that, beautiful model, really stands out. So let's get into some of the detail. It's not going to be too much to go over. It's a fairly plain and simple, but yeah, here we go. Here, starting off with the nose of the aircraft. The cockpit shape, the nose shape, and the cockpit windows, all very nice. NG always does a good job with this stuff. There's never any issues here, in my opinion. The gear, though, a little clunky, as you can see. But, I mean, that's standard on most of these aircraft nowadays, I feel like. But yeah, so got some little numbers there. You got 8620. On the gear door there, you got the L1 door with the little Southwest heart next to it. Very nice. Some good detail there, all the static ports, etc. Then you have the stars and the circle, the white stars and the blue circle, the white outline. Very nice. Just moving along. Very nice. You got the two over-wing exit doors and the markings on the wing to go along with it. Very nice. The engine's looking great. The CFM engines, always well done by NG, never like rocket ship or anything like Gemini jets. Good size, shape, everything. Splits for NG, can't really see it, but you can take a look at those ones there. Very nice, very sharp, looking really good. There we go. Moving along, you got the antenna at the top there. Red Wi-Fi dome, another antenna. Registration 8620 Hotel. American flag, Southwest, and then the beautiful Southwest tail with the blue, the white, the red, and the sort of orange and yellow. Spinning around to this side, there's not much more to go over other than you can see the baggage door down there at the bottom, and then here at the front as well. It says Tennessee 1 up there at the front on the nose. I kind of pointed that out earlier. If I didn't, it's right there. And we'll zoom out so I can give you a look at the top. There we go, looking at the top-down view. Very nice. As I said, great detail on the wings and everything with the slats, flaps, spoilers, over-wing marking, like over-wing exit markings, and whatnot. And then underneath, nothing really there. Very nice though. A very nice model, very sharp. Looks good, great detail. They executed this very well, as NG usually always does. Oh, my bad. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this. I know it's a pretty quick one, but I hope you did enjoy. Stay tuned for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. Smash that like button and subscribe if you're enjoying the content. I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.